Okay, we're back. New canvas, and I've made more of the background color, the interference color, which is, I think, okay, yeah. Now, I'm gonna be pouring in a lot of the background color first, but this time I'm gonna add a little bit of gold because I think that was missing from our last pour. So we have gold, we're gonna put in the green, another green, the purple, the blues, this blue because I love this color. Then we're going to put the interference on top. Then we're going to put a little bit more gold. Then another interference layer. And we're going to hope that we have enough paint. And if not, we'll just have to add some. So, turning it around, letting it come down. And there we go. Ooh, there's a lot of paint in the cup, but we'll just have to see how that works. This is pretty much more color, as you can see. So I'm going to let it come down here in the corner a bit. And this is pretty much mother of pearl, like I wanted. Just have to get a little rag to clean my hands. And then I'm going to torch it. Okay, so far so good, as you can see here. I'm gonna come in with a little bit more of this stuff to fill up the canvas here, because I don't really want to lose too much of this, what is already on here, and a little up here. Okay. This is looking really cool. You can't see it, but there's different colors in the cells. So that's looking cool. But I'm having a feeling that just this is not enough. So I'd like to add something, but with a little bit more intensity of colors. Okay, let's think about this. Let's put this in here. Because I'm not going to be doing any more of these, so I might as well finish off the paint. And a lot of gold in there. I think that would look really cool. I have some pre-mixed gold. So let's put some more in there. A little bit of green. Okay, let's give it a tiny little swirl and then come in. Okay, when you want to do ribbons with one of these plastic cups, the thing what you want to do is cut off the top, and I'll show you why. Because now you can really make, see that? You can do that. So that's, ooh, now I'm having second thoughts because it's really beautiful. Oh boy. Maybe only down here, that might be it. Like something like this. just to give it something different. Let's see what happens when we do that. That's pretty. Okay, palette knife time. Okay, just making sure that everything is covered, especially the sides and the corners. This is doing okay. Here it needs a little bit more. I think I am going to leave it as is right here, although I think I'd like a little bit of movement in these ribbons. That's nice. Okay, and it's still growing up here, so that's sort of making it look really nice. There we go. A little bit down here. Corner and one up here. Okay, now it's fully covered. Now I'm going to give you a close-up. And now I'm thinking I want a little bit more up here. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that because I like where the gold is coming through. Okay, that's it. This is really all I want to do with it. Do want to pick up a little bit of paint and add that right here. I do see a little bit of canvas popping through, which we don't really need. There it is. I'm going to give you a little close-up of the pour. So be right back with you guys.